In a world where learning photography is so boring and hard for beginners, there's only one man to save the day.
Hopefully I have one of those steps where I just like drop 3 feet.
Josh Katz.
I told you it would happen.
How's it going, guys? I'm Josh, and welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Outdoor Photography. I've been traveling around the world shooting photos and making photography videos for many years now, receiving over 62 million views on my YouTube videos. Now, because I'm New York based but obsessed with national parks, having been to 22 in the US, this course is going to be about urban and nature photos. By the end of this course, you'll have mastered your camera's manual settings as well as countless techniques for shooting gorgeous, dynamic images. So whether you're shooting the sunrise in the exotic wilderness or your backyard, street photography in New York City or your small town, you're gonna know what to do to get a beautiful image. I've seen too many slow, boring photo courses that can't seem to get to the point. My goal is to give quick, step-by-step advice to get you outside shooting stellar photos immediately. I also provide shooting guide PDFs with my course, so you can download these and take them out shooting with you to follow at your own pace. This course has 9 full sections. Now, after the introduction, we'll be learning about different types of camera gear, how to use your camera and all of its buttons, composing a beautiful frame or composition, classic landscape shooting strategies, and then more technical landscape skills. Then there's a section on urban shooting, followed by editing in Lightroom, and finally one on marketing your work online for after you've learned how to shoot all these amazing photos. Whether you're trying to set up an online portfolio website, sell prints online, book gigs, or just make sure your Instagram looks way better than all your friends, I've got you covered in the last section. The ideal student for this course is a beginner or hobbyist who is eager to progress but isn't sure where to start. So whether you own a DSLR, smartphone, or just thinking about buying either, it's all good. This is going to be a fast-paced, comprehensive course with tons of foundational knowledge, step-by-step shooting and editing tutorials, and tons of neat exercises. So fire up your passion for photography and enroll now.